We are going to see how to find the distance between two parallel straight lines. Let us remember first that two straight lines are parallel when the distance from one to the other keeps constant, that is, when the distance from any point on one of them to the other straight line is always the same. The distance from any point on straight line A to straight line B never changes no matter which point we try. And let us remember also that the distance from a point to a straight line has to be found always in a perpendicular direction in relation to the straight line. So, if we want to find the distance between these two parallel straight lines, we have to find the distance from any point on one of them to the other straight line. Then, our first step is to mark a point on one of the straight lines, in this case this point A on straight line A. Now we only have to find the distance from this point A to straight line B. In order to find the distance from point A to straight line B, we draw a straight line that is perpendicular to straight line B and goes through point A, the straight line T. The perpendicular straight line T meets straight line B on this point B. The distance between parallel straight lines A and B is the distance between points A and B, that is the length of line segment AB.